Hello everyone, I am Liu Bin, the Regional Director of senfenglaser for the Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei area. Now I'm at China Coil Environmental Technology Commerce Ltd. A leading company in China's modular trestle bridge manufacturing industry. Here, a fully automated production line for heavy plates is working. This is SENFENG's top beam automated production line. Follow my camera and let's take a look.
We are China Coil Handan Environmental Technology Ltd, focusing on the production of Generation 4 modular trestle bridge used for coal conveying and the research of concrete airform dome structures. We have emerged as a leader in China's modular trestle bridge sector. In the past, we must conduct decoiling, leveling, plasma cutting, drilling by CNC lathe, manual bending, and welding. These processes above were not continuous and required a lot of labor. With this production line, decoiling, leveling, laser cutting cuts plates into shape, automatic conveying, bending and welding will proceed in order to form an assembly line, as thus we can produce over 10,000 top beams each year. The current production rate is 1 unit every 6 minutes. This fully satisfies our practical requirements. What I like most about this line, first, heavy-duty structure. Considering that we mainly process the thickest 8mm coiled steel, which is seen as quite heavy by steel structure manufacturers, and each coiled steel weighs about 30 tons, we preferred to this 40-ton gantry crane to adapt to such heavy coiled steels. Therefore, 30-ton coiled steel is totally within the reach of one shift. Second, cutting precision. This laser cutting machine can cut the hole at 0.1mm precision, which is above our requirements for steel structure accuracy. Third, one line with 2 functions. Besides the top beams, it can also handle with raw shaping plates, an important part of corrugated board. As a result, the entire line efficiency will be lifted above 90%. The line never runs idle, with extremely high utilization rate. Finally, save labor force. Now, only 3 workers run this 60-meter long line. Before, producing top beam and corrugated board needed a lot of workers, about a dozen. These are top beams we produce. In this case, we are demanding for C-profile steels of top beam. Such high annual output, 20-kilometer modular trestle bridge, equaling to more than 8,000 pieces of top beams of various models, also stands for high usage volume. As an important built-up member of modular trestle bridge, the top beam, as you can see here, must hang many accessory structures like PM detection sensor, pulse purifier, and belt support. In this case, we are demanding for C-profile steels of top beam. This is the reason, sincerely, because all loads are borne by the top beam.
From traditional processing to intelligent manufacturing, from labor dependence to full process automation, SENFENG has been moving forward alongside leaders like China Coil, helping China's coal machinery and modular trestle bridge to step into a new era of smart manufacturing at higher quality.